Hey everyone, Perlox here. The other night I was playing some virtual reality. I was playing Rec Room, and I attempted to throw a frisbee to someone. We were playing catch, and everything was going fine, but I didn't realize I was kind of like moving around my room a little bit, and I smashed my monitor with the Vive controller. It's a really expensive, super nice gaming monitor, and I destroyed it. So let's take a look. Yeah, so you can see in the top left corner, sorry. It is pretty smashed. So yeah, that sucks. That's a very expensive mistake to make. I already ordered a replacement, and I'm going to show in this video a little. I'm going to try to make like a little protector shield thing, and so I'm going to show that off. This is the working replacement monitor, and this is the monitor that I broke. The top left corner is all cracked. And so yeah, I'm just using now the box that it came in to create a shield. So obviously the big problem here is that every time I play VR I'm going to have to clear my desk away, but if it saves me hundreds of dollars in replacement monitors, that is worth it. So that's the next thing to figure out, is how do I keep this so if I hit it, it doesn't just fall off like that, right? You can see there's so put the tape there, and tape right here, and right here. And this seems, sturdy enough. This cardboard is actually pretty thick too. Feels it's pretty sturdy overall. Here's what it looks like. So there's a nice little cavity there, so if I hit it, even if I hit it really hard, it's not going to strike the monitor. I think what happened in my case was that one of the corners of my controller hit the monitor, which is why it cracked. So it will definitely protect from that, at least. I think what I could do is, for instance, I have this thing, where I don't even know where this came from originally. It's actually pretty heavy. This thing probably weighs like maybe 3 pounds, 3 or 4 pounds. It's actually like really dense. So if I can find maybe another similar object, I could put them in each of the corners, and that should probably be enough. And let's test it out even with just one of them. Okay, so that's not going to work because it just fell off. Let me try putting it a little further in, maybe even in the corner, the front corner here. Okay, that definitely worked better. Still not quite good enough though. Right, I also just happen to have two, actually I have 4 of these, so I could try even more, but I'm going to just try 2 of them for now. They're 3-pound weights. Again, I think these were left here when I moved in or something, so that's kind of convenient. So I'm going to put one on each corner. Okay, got one there and there. Alright, that seems pretty good. I mean, I would never even hit it that much. This is basically protecting the, like, you know, one bad hit that I'd have every once in a while. So all it has to really do is survive one good hit, and then I can, you know, pause the game, maybe readjust the weights, make sure everything is still okay. That seems pretty good though. So you can see there, this is it. I haven't really readjusted them since I hit it, so you can see they moved around a little bit. Now it's resting on the foot of my monitor right before it wasn't before I hit it, but that looks pretty good. So definitely a little bit of a pain in the ass to like probably settle this up, although ever since I hit my monitor I actually moved my bed as well, so I tipped it up against the wall so I had a bigger play space. So I guess that's just kind of the part of dealing with VR is you gotta readjust your room if you don't have an extra room, set up a little barrier, move stuff around your desk, and then play for, you know, a couple hours and then take it all down, I guess, but still worth it. Okay, one more quick little addendum to this. I just realized as I was packing things up, I could use the little like air pillows that came in the box with the monitor to maybe further help create a barrier even from the cardboard to the monitor. You know, if I smack it really hard, maybe theoretically the cardboard being kind of stiff and hard could do some damage to the monitor. So what I'm going to do is tape these side by side, 3 rows high up the front of it, so then if it hits, it'll hit this first, and that should protect it even more. So I'm going to do this by putting a bunch of rolled tape in just various spots all the way up, and then I'll just push them against it, and hopefully that'll hold over time. If it doesn't, I suppose maybe then I'll run some tape kind of up along it or something like that, but we'll see how the rolled tape goes first. Another thing I'm not sure about is, do these stay inflated forever? I have never kept them long enough to know. It seems like they should stay inflated for a very long time, I would think, but I guess we'll find out. Okay. So yeah. Seems like those should stay on pretty well. Cool. Alright, well that's it. Thanks for watching as always, and stay tuned for more VR content.